Welcome everyone to Bitcoin Logistics. Today we're going to talk about the NM Miner display layout. This is one of many miners I have to mine Bitcoin. This device is cheap to run. As you see, we're using 1 kilowatt to run this device. If I check my phone here, I'm currently using 1 watt to run my phone. My phone is fully charged though. This device is a pretty cheap device to buy. It'll be about $45 to buy this device. With this miner, the chances to solve a block with this miner is low, just because of the hash rate it puts out. But you don't have to have this just as a miner. You can swipe up, and you can have this as a bedside clock. And you can also look at other cryptocurrency prices as well. So this device is actually a Node Miner Mark II. Originally I couldn't connect it to my Bitcoin node. So I've actually flashed this with the NM Miner software to connect it to my personal Bitcoin node. I can use multiple devices to work together to solve a block, give you higher chances to actually solving a block. In a later video, I'll be showing how to actually flash a Node Miner with the NM Miner software, or if you've got an NM Miner but it's just not updating, I'll show you how to flash to the newer version to that as well in a later video. So here on the top left corner we have the time. So currently it's 16 minutes past 12 in the afternoon. We have the uptime be going for 2 days, 5 hours, 26 minutes and 27 seconds. Here we have the Wi-Fi connection. You want this as close to 0 as possible. I'm actually pretty far from the Wi-Fi router, so mine is actually at 36, which isn't too bad, but it can be better. Then here we have the current price for Bitcoin. Now this is in USD, so if you're in a different country, like me in Australia, this will be a different price for you. Here we have blocks solved. They're currently at 0, but when you solve a block, this will turn to a 1. And currently you get 3.25 Bitcoin per block solved. And at the current price, that's a good bit of money. The version of the software we're using is 1.8.27 on the NM Miner. Here we have the network downloads, which is at 58. Here we have the network hash rate difficulty, which is at 141.7 terahashes. Here we've got the device itself, currently going at the difficulty of 1.277, but the best it's done is 63.33 over the 2 days and 5 hours. Here we got the rejected hash rates, the rejected shares, we got the accepted shares, we got the IP for this device. This will only show up if the device is connected to your Wi-Fi, to your internet. So if you got it connected to one internet in your phone or computer on a different internet, it won't show up. It has to be on the same internet. Then the hash rate this device is putting out is 1022 kilohashes. Now here we've actually got the node information. So the best that it has came out for the Bitcoin node is 21.15, which actually they should have updated to the 63.33. So I'm not sure why that's at 21. Here we've got 2 workers on this node. If you don't connect multiple devices to the same node, this information here will be the same information that it has up here. Then the 2 workers together is putting out 2.19 mega hashes, which is 2,100 kilohashes. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.